Hi everyone, welcome in today's video. Today I will talk about the hydroponic. Now, if you are new to this channel, please remember to subscribe to my channel below. Now, hydroponics is growing of fodder without soil. Growing of fodder without soil, but by use of just water. Now, you can sprout seed of barley, maize, sorghum diet. Now, we want now to cover how to prepare these hydroponics. Number one, you have to select good seed. Select the good seed. Number two, soak the seed in dilute disinfectant. In this case, you can use jig. Remember, you have to soak it for just 2 hours. Soak it for 2 hours. Then we are doing this to prevent what we call mold and fungus growth. We just do this to prevent molds and fungus growth. Number three, drain that water. Drain the water with jig. Rinse your grains or your seed. Then soak the grains or the seed in water for 24 hours. Soak the seeds in water for 24 hours to promote what we call water uptake by the seeds, by the grains of these seeds. Number four, measure 2 kg of grain for each tray that measures 80 centimeter by 40 centimeters. So my white trays that I normally use are 40 by 80 centimeters. And something else is that I normally use plastic but not metallic. Metallic, the metal, at sometimes normally start rusting, and whatever it will be produced there won't be quality. We just want something quality hydroponics, quality feeds. To the other thing is that now after that you have now to spread. You have to spread now the grains evenly in the tray. Spread evenly in the tray. Now, what are the benefits of hydroponics? Number one, produce within short period. Number two, can be done in a very small area. Can be done in a very small area. Number three, there is no wastage of feed. Chicken eat everything. Number four, water required is just less and can be recycled. Water required is less and can be recycled. Number five, less to maintain since no soil preparation when planting these hydroponic, no weed control, and even no post-harvest preparation and also losses. Number six, very rare to have what we call pest and diseases. Very rare because they normally take very little time. 6 to 7 days your hydroponics is very ready. You can use it in your as food for your poultry. Now remember, what we require is just 66% of this fodder. Then you mix with just 34% of the commercial feeds. Commercial feeds at this particular moment are very costly. So you see, for 100 mature chicken, what you are required to have is just 8 kg of barley hydroponics, and number 2, for a day you are also required to have 4 kg of commercial feeds, and then set the trays to the structure from where now you will be doing your irrigation. So irrigate from day 1 to the day 7 at an interval of 4 hours. Now, if you have an automatic system, you can do it for 30 seconds. If you are doing it manually, then you can do it for 1 minute. The other thing I just want to say that is that hydroponics are balanced diet, and what we are required to have is just 66% of these hydroponics. Remember, we have said that hydroponics can be from maize, can be from barley, oat, can be from sorghum, can even be from wheat. Whatever the seed you have, now you can use that one. In my case, I'm using barley. Barley is I can say in my case is cheap, because 1 kg, I'm getting 1 kg at 50 shillings. 1 kg at 50 bob. That 50 bob is able to multiply 4 more time. 1 kg is giving me 4 kg, so I'm getting a total of 5 kg at the end of 7 days. 1 kg just give me 5 kg. So 2 kg normally gives me 10 kg. So these 10 kg I'm using a day to feed 100 chicken, and also adding to my chicken uncountable benefits from the hydroponics. Thank you very much for watching. If you have liked the video, you can like, share with your friend, and also leave a comment. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.